All right. And whoop, there I am. Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're getting back at it. Trying to get back in the swing of things and doing more streaming and stuff. But yeah, how's it going? Yeah, let me get readjusted. If you didn't catch the last stream, I finished up the grapple hook mechanics, so that's now in the game. And today I'm going to be working on getting I'm going to get the new body that I'm working on in. Which will have the grapple hook in it. And that also means that I'm going to what that actually means is that I'm going to actually get the special done. And for that's going to be like a cool, well, hopefully a cool slashing thing, but it's going to look really bad because just using placeholder assets right now. But like, this is probably the last thing I'm going to do before I work on, figuring out an art style and stuff like that. So that's all of that stuff. Other housekeeping things. No other housekeeping things. I'm working on my next video idea. But like it's not actually it's not slated to come out yet. So not entirely sure on when that's gonna show up. But yeah. I guess we can just jump into things. Let me switch over here. Woo, bam. Okay. So yeah. Right now, yeah. Again, I'll just jump in real quick. Whoa. Let me mute that. We don't need multiple things. Yeah, application focus there. But yeah, I should probably have my controller on. You know, I could have been more prepared. No. And nope. Almost there. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I'm moving around. So yeah, last thing I did was you're able to shoot out a grapple hook and you get moved over to wherever the grapple hook is. I want to another thing that I want to do is I want to try and get the not try. I want to get a cooldown in, because right now you could just theoretically just spam this and then move around and things like freak out. But yeah, I want to get a cooldown in there, and then I also want to get a limit in there, which should be fairly straightforward, because it's basically just whoa. It's basically just however long or whatever the distance is, and then turn that off, or like get rid of the hook after that. Ooh, I just realized I did not make a going live tweet, so let me go do that real quick. Oh yeah, behind the scenes. Live. Wow. I also should probably share the link inside of said tweet. All right. But yeah, that's the what you call the grapple hook thing going on here. So yeah, I'm gonna work on getting the body stuff in. I'll work on the cooldown and things like that after I get the body stuff in. Hopefully I remember to do that. Yeah, let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so I did not start up didn't start up Visual Studio beforehand, so now we have to sit here and wait. It's not gonna take too long, but I just like to get this done so that we don't have to do this. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a chill day. Oh, no. Oh, there we are. All right, I don't actually need player jump. Okay. So, here, let me also try to readjust so that I'm, centered and framed. This is me being a producer and whatnot. But let's go in here. Actually, before I do that, let's also unplay this. The goal here is to do the special. So I need to remember how I did all these other specials. So let me go drop in a leg. This entire process of me being like, okay, I'm gonna go drop in a leg and then drop in a body, that needs to be updated whenever I do the whole refactor, because this is a kind of a pain in order to do this stuff, because I have to, oh no, can't do that. Body slot, there we go. Kind of a pain. I might make in the future, I might make a tool that does this so that it's easier for me to manage. But that is beside the point. Okay, so all right. We got the slash body here. And on the slash body, there's a grapple hook defensive. I can make a cooldown on here, but I'll do that later. The goal here is to get the special, and actually let me look at the beam, because it's going to be fairly similar to how the beam operates in terms of from a back end perspective. So from a coding perspective, that's largely what I am thinking here. So on the beam body, there's the beam body. Look at that part. Okay. Part body, yeah. I think this is just, no, this is just for the visuals of it. So I need the beam special, which is a separate thing. Right, okay. Beam special shows up on the, in the, ooh, it doesn't, where does it show up? Secondary? Oh man. Yeah, this is the woes of of dealing with prototype code. Game jam code, not even prototype code. How did I do this? And it's also been a fairly long time since I've dealt with it before, or in a while. So okay. I think I understand. Let's make the where did I put the player special? Oh, I put it there, and then the beam special. I hope it's not inside of. Oh, it's not. It's not inside of anything. Cool. I really gotta organize this stuff eventually. Let's just make. We'll go out of here. Go in here. Yeah, I'll just do it here. Okay. Oh, hello. How's it going? Okay. I guess slash special. There we go. And now we're waiting. I've noticed that there's a lot more. I've been waiting a lot more recently. And I'm not entirely sure why that's the case, but I've just been like waiting for Unity to do whatever it's doing. It's kind of nice that now that there is a pop-up that says, hey, I'm doing something, because before it was just a small icon in the bottom right that you had to pay attention to. All right. Slash special. So let's do this. And then look at the beam special. So it's a player special. Cool. And then let's. Okay. So. Okay. Protected. Override. On special. Unused special. So. The special be used, let's say, yeah, we do that, and then protected, Affected. Alright. Void on. I need to give give the damage zone an update, but I don't have any of these things. So I just have the base stuff here. Okay, sounds good. There's a couple of things that I could probably do to streamline this, but we'll just go in here and try and work this out. So what I'm gonna do is for this slash special, basically like I want to have it so that it's like a swipe kind of thing, and anything in there will get hit, and then ideally push back, but we will see how things shake out and how things feel. So yeah, the problem is I don't remember where the body stuff shows up. So what I'm gonna do in the interest of time, I'm gonna just go in and play the game. Just gonna go in and play the game. I'm actually gonna go to the I'm gonna go to the time attack, because that one I did not save the this is fine. That one I did not save the thing. Oh right, everything's changed because I broke it in order to test things. I need more. Got him. Oh man, I cannot not jump. Nope. Oh. Ugh. Goodness sake. Whew. Jeez.
What can I say?
Okay. Anyway, that's another thing I gotta do. To actually have proper pausing rather than we're just gonna stop all input kind of thing. There we go. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, that's a great picture right there. That's gonna end well. So I am looking at player one, looking at, I think it's an aiming. Yes. Okay. So it's the attack slot that has the beam special. Okay. Good to know. So I'm guessing that well, actually, no. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think through where exactly I did like I put in the beam stuff. I feel like I already discovered this literally this past week, but here I am again. No. Okay, where? Main menu? No, this is definitely not the main menu. Huh, I don't know. All right, well, we'll deal with that later. Okay, so what we're gonna do here instead is, instead of worrying about that, and also still having this, this is not gonna end well with the 13 heroes. Is, oh wow, I survived. We're gonna go back over to the what's it called? To the basic arena. That's where I've been doing all of this work here. And as you can see, partially made Robo here. I'll add the slash. I'll add the slash attack to the attack slot. So I'll just make a placeholder for that. I want to make it empty. Call it slash special. And then because do I have is there like a cone or something I can use? Cylinder, castle, sphere, cube. No. I could go into Blender, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna use a cylinder. Okay, cool. This doesn't really matter too much, whereas actually we'll do this. Okay, so you can see that there. I'm gonna actually put a dot on there for a reference. What? Ooh, it's not showing up. There we go. Oh, it's not showing the gizmos because I turned off gizmos. Huh. But yeah, we'll go in here, and then the goal here. Also, I want to put it on the pivot. Yeah. The goal here is to basically, I want to do a bigger version of what the sword is doing. Except I want to do a much slower swipe kind of thing. I think that will be a nice, better use, or interesting use case. Let's see. I keep on changing things. We'll make this like that. Yeah, that looks slash kinda. And then we'll do that. Let me adjust the. Oh yes, we're gonna just have to. We'll just deal with that. And what will ideally happen is not Z, it's the Y. Yeah, is whoosh, like that kind of thing. That kind of action. But we'll see how exactly this will pan out. It's not gonna be like this. I want the bigger slash thing here. Let's actually do this. Do this. Reset this to 0. Go here. Do this. And now when I rotate, it is based off of my body. But this is still on the attack slot. Cool. Okay. Solve that problem. One sec as I hydrate. Okay. Cool. So now we got that. And it doesn't necessarily need to be like super fancy or anything. Largely, I think I'm gonna just add a animator to this. Oh geez, an animator. And I also need the damage zone. There we go. I want to say that I can. It's one shot. For now, I'll just say 20. Okay, maybe 30. And then we'll adjust as I do all those upgrades and stuff. So okay, we got that in. So let's see. Well, where's the slash? Oh no, yeah, I want to also use the slash slash special. Here. Cool. And then in this animation, where I'm gonna just go in here, go here, special, beam, earthquake, and slash. Look at that. Oh, new. Yes, new body part. So the new body part is I'm working on. Well, I finished in the last stream. I finished up the grapple hook, which you can like shoot out a grapple hook, and then it'll bring you over to the other side or to wherever it is. And now I'm working on the slash special, which is like basically think of it like a huge melee sword kind of thing, where you swing it and you'll swipe at anybody in front of you. Although I'm interested, maybe I should make it and like a 360 kind of spin where it wouldn't necessarily like, because yeah, then I'm thinking now I have thoughts. Well, largely the reason why I bring that up is if I had that 360 thing, then it would operate in a different sphere than the beam, which the beam already does like a, hey, I'm gonna deal damage to the things in front of me. The slash could still work in terms of I'm gonna deal damage to things in front of me, but I'm knocking them back as well to give you like some space and stuff. Oh, nice. For the next, yeah, of course. All those meta things that we're gonna see. I'm really curious to see how people utilize the grapple hook and stuff, and whether or not the way in which I hope that it gets used will feel right and whatnot. What am I doing? I'm doing the slash thing. I keep getting distracted. But yeah, I'm just curious to see how that would work. I think I should say action, not action, active, probably. Yeah, we'll just go with that. All right, and then, but yeah, that's something that I'm working on, and I'm thinking about. I think that I should probably do like a spin, you know, your Link up B special kind of thing, where you just like copter around, because that would definitely give me a different thing versus I don't know whether or not you would feel the difference there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Audible there. Okay, so before I do this animation, I want to look at how I made the other animations. Again, beam is going to be the most useful to look at. Why can I not see the? Okay, so it's active and inactive. Okay, good. Exactly what I was thinking. All right, so then I'll just do that, where I just say, hey, let's go to the scene. Go here. Whoa, why can I not click on? There we go. That was interesting. We'll click on here. That's why, because I did not click on the game object. Anyway, go here, say inactive, and then we'll go to the animator, go here, make this the default state. Inactive is going to be everything's off, cylinders off. I think that the damage zone should be on the cylinder there. Yeah, but everything's just off. So let's go do that. Corn. This. Nope. Actually, yeah, we'll do the active state first. So then that's, you know, one of the quirks of Unity's animator is that the things that you don't, or you can go in here and be like, okay, I'm gonna, you know, do any changes to set animations and stuff. But if you have two different states and they don't animate the same things. Whatever the active animation, like say that I made an active animation that changes the scale or whatever, and I don't change the scale in inactive, it'll continue to have the scale in inactive, which makes sense, but that also means that it would like look weird if I didn't, or if I wanted to have it so that like, yeah, I still want the scale to not be like that, even though I'm not animating it per se. But you know, if that made any sense. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just go, we'll say I'd like to go here, and then just say whoop, like that. Say -360. There. Whoop. Look at that. Okay, that's a very quick slash. Don't want to go that fast. Okay, not that slow. Maybe a little faster. Okay. Yeah. I think I might actually want to not start right in front of you, but start a little bit over here. Like you're like preparing to swing, like you're swinging a bat kind of thing. So we'll do 45. And then we'll end, what is it, 325? -325. There you go. How was it? No, it's -320. All right. Wait, no, shouldn't it be? I'm trying to remember my angles. I used to be really good at this because I had to deal with this in, no, it's not that. I had to deal with this in Hyperdot all the time. Yeah, it's 320. Did I not do 320 there? There we go. No, I did not. I said 325. What measure do I decide attacks? Right now, just eyeballing it. Right now, because everything's so flexible and whatnot, adjusting as needed in action. Yeah. Because everything's so flexible right now, and like it doesn't make a lot of sense for me to be super precise with like oh, okay, I'm gonna have everything move at this speed or this like this angle and rotation and stuff if I do these sorts of attacks and things, largely because everything's such in flux where, you know, something might be not like it feels bad in like some instance, but then it feels good in another instance. But like I get a bunch of feedback saying like, oh yeah, I really like the speed of this thing, like because I'm getting a lot of data trying to just test things out and like get play tests and stuff. It doesn't make a lot of sense to be like extremely precise at this point, as long as like I get the rough feel of it and like it is like striving towards the goal of what I want the combat to feel like. That's largely how I'm getting like any of the attack, like any of the variables, really, any of that damage meter stuff, any of the cooldowns or speed and things like that, just because just trying to feel out what ultimately this will feel like, or like look like in the final form, if that makes sense. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, yeah, I'm doing that. Why does this? Yeah, wait, no. Oh, it's 315. I got it. That's what it is. It's 315. Yep, that's why. Yeah, man, I used to have that down. I used to be able to make adjustments like that. Look at that. There's your copter attack. I could, so like theoretically, I could make this be purely a visual thing, which I probably should, but I could make this purely a visual thing, and then just have a hitbox thing that appears around you for however long this attack is. But I'm gonna do this because I feel like every time that I've done a physical hitbox where like it's tracking the actual animation, that's felt better. So that's partially the reason why I want to test that out. But yeah, again, all of this stuff will come down to play testing and figuring out how exactly it feels and whatnot to everyone else. So, okay, we got this here. I'm going to do the turn on thing. Oh, did it not? Oh, I had to turn on this here. So yeah, there you go. Cool. Copy. Paste. Turn this off. And then there. Oh, wait. No, turn this off, literally. And there. That should be the special. Oh, I gotta go in here and actually, tell it to, hey, switch between these two things based off of, I want to say it's a pool trigger is active. A slash over. Exactly. Always gotta, do the edge cases where people are like, I'm just gonna, oh wait, I want the extra time to one. General Grievous, exactly. Yeah, no, making sure that anything that people do doesn't completely break the game. But yeah. All right. So what I'm gonna do here now is, why does this, oh, because I did the wrong, no wait, that's the right one. I want to do active, and then I want to have this be instantaneous. So basically the inactive state is just one frame, and it's just always going to be the same. But then the second you press the trigger, it'll be like whoop, bam, and it'll just go like straight to active. And then it'll just like, all right, time to play the active thing. Which I really do need wind up actions or yeah, to the animations and stuff, but I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to continue to do that until I actually work on updating the visuals, which again, that's the very next thing I'm going to do after making this part. Okay, yeah, I think that should be everything. And then if I go in here, I basically can do the exact same thing. I could do the exact same thing that I did. Oh no, I private in the beam special, which in a lot of scenarios you would think, oh, maybe I should make this a little bit more generic, but I'm not going to, because I just want to get it in. And I keep telling it, I literally am still saying this just to inform myself that I'm doing this damage. Override. Wait. So the animation, or no, anim equals get component animator. I got it. Animator. There we go. What? Why? There. things are going well so far. Animation damage zone equals get component in children because it's a child of this object. Damage zone. Hey, get component in children. Damage zone. There you go. Yeah, turn it true. That just means that if the object is turned off, hey, that's fine. Look for that too. There you go. I can spell. Damage equals damage. There we go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is set trigger. So I'm gonna just basically say, hey, when you use the special, play the animation. Action, not action. I don't have a sound effect for this. I don't have a sound effect for this. I can make a sound effect for after this. Need to remember to do that. Dot set ignore. And yeah, see, this is something that I should offload. But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, at this point, it's just the same thing. Yeah, see, everything that I'm doing right now is the same thing, and I should just stop doing the same thing. Sorry. Okay, we'll save that. Press the don't want to press play because we want to make a prefab. Where's the prefabs? There we go, prefab. I have way too many things open, so we'll do this. Really quick tip: if you press Alt when you close one of the what you call them, these folders, it'll close everything, and then if you press it Alt again, it'll open all the nests as well. So it's a quick tip. So body slash do slash special, bam. All right, and then we'll delete this. Grapple hook defensive. I'm gonna actually go in here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the fact that it's not super intuitive for me to remember where all this stuff is, that's a evidence of I should really refactor this code. All right. Where do I create parts? There we go. Special attack. Yes, it does that there. Okay. Oh, that's right. That's where I do the stuff. So if I go to here and then I say, instead of the earthquake, I just say slash. I don't have a description. I should really make up a description for that. But we'll do that when I do the other stuff. Before I get caught again, let's get rid of the duplicate parts here. Before I think that should just be it. We're gonna get rid of the duplicate parts so that I don't get caught again. and then press play. Oh, my controller is off again. Hold on. Okay. Ooh, I should probably have, look at that. Whoop. That was weird. But, I gotta wait for the special. I should have added a debug mode so that I have my special all the time. No, I guess I could just say, or the special would be like 10 or something. Okay. And then if I say whoop, there we go. It was slow. It was delayed. Also, I should really make that bigger, but it worked. Also, it's not going up after that. Okay, well, that is interesting. So what we'll do to solve this is, one, don't have these things loop. Two, it must be has an exit time. No. Should just happen instantaneously. Let's see if inside of this no, there's not a not a thing there. Beam special. Just does that, yeah. Trying to see where it resets the special. Yeah, it should have just done that by default. Slash special is used, yeah, huh. So then why didn't it not reset the time so that I'm able to get special? Oh, doggone it, I did it again. We're just gonna go in here and be like, I think I could just say 20 or like 10 or 1 there, yeah. That should be a trigger. Ooh, I can't move. Oh, it's because I'm using the special, but it's not. No, I did it again. Okay, do the special. Whoop. That's not in the right spot, and I can't move. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, I will think about this, but I will actually be right back. So listen to some chill Ben Burns music. I haven't shouted out this video yet, so this stream. So chill Ben Burns music while I'll be right back. All right. And I'm back. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so thing I was working on right before this was for some reason that was not resetting when or the special was not resetting when I was doing the special attack. So I am going to look into why that is the case. But like this seems to be the last thing that's not working, other than I just want to make the special itself a little bit bigger. But that's one thing at a time. So why is that not working? I don't think that I'm gonna just look. Yeah, let's just look at the beam. Oh. Part body. Yeah, that's fine because it's just the body to visually show you the stuff. That's fine. Special. Why is the special not working? Okay, this damage is 60. That's cool as well. Okay. Beam special. It's on there. Yeah. Set the trigger. Does the thing. In fact, there's nothing different here. That's why it's weird. Well, I mean, the only thing that's different is that it's not playing a sound. I don't know why that's the case. Okay. Well, okay. Things I don't need open. Let's get rid of things I don't need open right now. Main menu, why? Player movement, no. Player attack gun, data. Okay. So that's done. I don't know. I don't even need that. I don't know. Because the beam special, yeah, it should just. Okay, now I guess it's time to start debugging. Debug. Whoop. Bug. Unlog. Finished. Special. Save. Alright. So close for this to be no bugs. And yet. Well. Okay. Okay, yep. Cool. Use the special. Whoop. There it is. Can't move. Did not finish. But it did happen. Earthquake. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing, am I? I am totally looking at the wrong thing. I need to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Big bomb. Special. Yeah. I'm looking. Where's. Then where? How do I actually finish the beam special? Huh. That must, yeah, that is the thing that must be inside of the beam. Oh, that's why this is like this perfect storm kind of thing. I looked at, so the reference that I was looking at, yep, there it is. The reference that I was looking at was the earthquake one, which itself had a different way of finishing the special. Which it finished the special in code. It has like a co-routine, so it just is, there's a time that says after 1 second it'll do finish the special. The thing that I needed to look at was the beam one, which the beam has a which this is the reason why I was looking here. Well, it has a what you call it, animation action, animation event. There you go. And that was the reason why I was like, oh, I wonder whether or not, and it didn't have it. And I was like, oh, okay. So I guess then I shouldn't have to worry about that. Clearly, I was incorrect. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go to the special again. Click here. Change this to be special finished. So now at the end of this special, it'll be like, hey, I'm done. And then it'll finish up the special. Goodness sake, that's funny. Okay. I'm also gonna make the slash bigger. How much bigger? Not sure. Okay, maybe that big. There. Wait, oh right, this is supposed to not be on the. Oh yeah, we'll save these changes and then I'll just real quick. Yeah, having a dummy robot would be really nice right now. I don't care what legs, but I'll just add the legs and then add the slash body. Oh. Slash body to the body slot and then add the attack. Beam special. There we go. And then move this forward to there. And then apply. There we go. Get rid of this, and we're done. Save. Play. And then this is just gonna magically work. And everything's gonna be fine. Alright. Do the special. Whoop. Yes. Whoop. Okay. That's kind of working. Hey, sup, Ben? How's it going? Okay, it's kind of working. Kinda. I need to do multiple things. The beam special, I really need to not have. This should be a trigger. Yes. Oh no, whoops, wrong. Not the beam special, it's slash special. I need this to be a trigger. Cool. Oh, I didn't press play. The amount of times that that's happened. How's it going, Ben? I know you were working on all the UI earlier. There we go. Sort of. Why is it so it's no longer like messing me up. Why is it not spinning around me guaranteed? Oh, I wonder if it's because I wonder, maybe I'm gonna do this. I just want to learn where that is. Right? Oh, so I need to do things. Okay. Yeah, it has not been first time. Unfortunately, there's been a lot of me having to go in and being like, oh, hey, well, how's this working? Oh, yeah, what's up, Daniel? How's it going? But yeah, this has definitely not been first time kind of thing. So here we go. So here's the plan. The plan is right now. So right now it's appearing in the right spot, but I need the anchor to be somewhere else. So I'm going to do that. Trina's economy of co-working. Nice. Ready to see some body parts? Well, good news. You're able to see it in its half state. So in the previous stream, I keep saying this, so sorry for me repeating. But in the previous stream, I got grapple hooks in, so I can go bram, and then I can move and grapple hook and whatnot. Bram. Oh yeah. I'm glad that I can help bring y'all to be a little bit more accountable. Also, thank you all for making me more accountable, because I need to get those working. But yeah, oh, thank you. Thanks, Ben. But yeah, so you're able to grapple onto things and be like, hey, look at that, I'm grappling onto things. And then the thing that I just finished, which is kind of broken, is the spin slash move. Bam. That's a slash special kind of thing. But this is more or less what the body, this body will be, this blue pentagon looking thing. So I need to figure out, how do I anchor that there? And the easiest way to do that, really the easiest way to do that is, oh, no, wait, hold on. I don't want to do that. I want to go here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then we go in here. Oh, I'm trying to move the game thing. We go in here. Actually, I'll just make this bigger. Whoop. Go here and we'll just say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. That's the thing. So I need to go here. Go here. Yeah. I'll just call this the slash. And then we'll do this. And we'll save this real quick so I can get this data. Say bam. And then put this here. Cool. Save that. Change this to be 0. Change the slash to be, yeah, there. And the cylinder didn't move. Why did it not move? I keep saying because should have. I'll move this here. Nope. Copy. Paste. That's name cool. Get rid of this one. And then in here, I'll make the anim instead of get component in children. Say true. Largely because I'm lazy. So I'll use that. I'll just move the animator rather than remake the animation. So there we go. We're gonna try and figure out why exactly things are breaking. well, actually here, I'll save this and then I'll delete this and then I'll re-put it there. Bam. There we go. That should theoretically. Oh yeah, it's gonna be, The weird part, okay, so the weird part is this is not in the right spot. 0, yes. This is there, yes. So, there. There. We'll do that. Save. Delete this. Go to the play button. You don't actually have to go to the play button. It's already there. Okay, yeah. And then, bam! There we go. I can't move because slash. Oh, that's broken because that's in the. Dang. Okay. Well. All right. Whoops. Jeez. I've gone too far. I know why it's broken. It's because remember when I was like, oh, I'm gonna be lazy. Well, this animator needs to go. Oh, I got it. This animator actually does need to go here because it needs access to the what you called? Oh, hello. I've seen that. Oh, yes. So the true inside of Git component means Git component, or particularly inside of Git component in children. That just means make sure, or if the game object is inactive, still check it. Like check even if there's a inactive game object. Systems on systems, of course. Yeah. But yeah, the problem was that I need to get access to this animator from that script. So I'll get rid of this. Oh yes, it is. Yeah, it's really useful. Especially because like by default, this should be off. There we go. This should be off. And if I was to be like, okay, now I want to go get this component, it wouldn't find this without having that true statement there. Yeah, no, I'm glad I can help. The first time that I learned about that, it blew my mind. So, so that is happening. I'm gonna just have to recreate. Not recreate. I'm just gonna have to rename these things. Slash. Inactive. Here we go. Slash. Get all those slashes. Okay. That's also another quick tip is that you can rename the animation thing that it's pointing to rather than having to completely recreate the animation. Okay. Click that play button. Now. Okay, and then I do the whoop. It kind of worked. Whoop. Something got broken, but hey. Oh, right. That's why I was trying to not have. That's why I was trying to be lazy. Is because I have to redo the spin rotation because it's not this that I want to have the rotation. It's this that I want to have the rotation. So, what is this? 45? All right, 45. And you no longer get this. And this -3, -315, and you no longer get that. Inactive is / special is just 0. The audience help you code in the whole oh yeah, not necessarily. It doesn't necessarily help me code, but it helps me keep me accountable where I'm like, I don't go like, oh, I'm just gonna go check Twitter real quick for like some random reason or something like that. So I do appreciate that, that kind of thing. Although sometimes I have had some help where people were like, hey, you put these two things backwards, and that's been nice. Untangle that ball of yarn. Oh yeah. Never touch it again so it won't break. Yep. Nah, I know that feeling. That's kind of, honestly, that's what this player info thing is, where I'm like, okay, I got it working. I never want to touch it. But that is the reason why I want to refactor my code, is because I got it working and it's precarious, but I never want to touch it. So yeah, I'm gonna do some, okay, go in here. Whoop, whoa, calm down. I'm gonna do some, right, I need to actually, I guess, yes, the inactive is the thing that's not working, or not working, that's not updated. And yes, it was 45. So let me go here, let me make this 45, and then I'll say, hey, you no longer need to be 45. Save, play. Oh yeah, and yeah, there's a lot of smart people / more attentive people than I in chat. There we go, ish, kind of. It's still doing the, oh, is it doing it backwards? It is. Let's see why that is the case. No, not the game. I want to go to sleep. Huh. So, okay. Oh, that's why, because I screwed up. Of course. I'd like to get into something. Extra eyes. Yeah, extra eyes is always super helpful. And yeah, I really do enjoy streaming. I should get rid of that and press the play button. Okay. Whoop. There we go. That's more like it. Okay. Slash. Okay. Sweet. Oh yeah, I just get distracted by so many different things, like whether it be YouTube or Twitter or like, oh, what's going on Discord, and then I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll totally just go and play a thing together or something like that. And sometimes, and I've realized that I do need to focus a little bit more. Thank you. Yeah, this is working out. So this is the basic. Oh, ooh, that is actually a good question. It's like, whoop. Okay, you'd have to start it beforehand, so you can get a little bit of damage before, whoop, like that. Okay. Oh, that's kind of nice. There's some big brain plays, but you can't, if you wait too late, then yeah, you wouldn't be able to do the things. Look at that. Yeah, look at already building these top tier strats. Yep. Okay, so that's working. Sweet. Wow. Nice. I love how surprised I am by that. Whoa, it's working. So let's save that real quick, and then let's go back here. I'll leave the special B1 for now because I'm still testing, but I want to change the cooldown. What is it? I want to change the cooldown on the grapple hook. So with the grapple hook, the way to do that is, if I go to grapple hook, nope, I want to do the body. There you go. Go to this defensive. So the way to do that, basically, I can just add in a cooldown, I think. Yeah, I'll just do public, float cooldown equals, let's say 3 seconds. Yeah, with 3 seconds. And then we'll just say, and cooldown. No. We'll say cooldown is, yeah. Private float timer equal. I'll say 3. Void. No wake. Equals cooldown. And timer is less than or equal to 0. Nice, equals time, not delta time. Here. Yeah, and then when you press it, timer equals cooldown. This is one way in which to do a quick timer cooldown. The other ways that you can, I mean, there's plenty of ways to do it. You can do a coroutine. You can do the inverse. You can count up to the cooldown. All the different ways. Too many different ways. This, and ooh, I can't use my defense. Is it greater? Did I say greater? No, it's not less than equal to 0. Timer minus equals time, not delta time. Let's see. What does time look like? Oh, this should be start. There. Because that is not overridden. Why is that happening? We'll go here, do debug. Yeah, you can see timer. Hydrate. Timer is not doing anything. Yes, the purple bar is the special meter. So normally it would be going up slowly, but I'm in a debug mode where I'm just have unlimited special kind of thing. But yeah, that's it's like a special meter. The yellow bar is basically your stamina. Though I think I'm gonna actually get rid of the energy thing. I had a whole debate about this a while ago, and I think that just having individual cooldowns on parts is a little bit more makes a little bit more sense rather than adding in like another thing to also think about for energy and stuff. So yeah, I think I'll do that. But yes, oh, it worked. There we go. Boop. There we go. Also, I'm not seeing the timer update because I'm not clicked on the right thing. Body. There you go. Cool. Oh, I should probably put that to 0. Oh, wait, I should not have that be. Hold on. I should not have that be the cooldown, because then you will not be able to use it. So if you try to grapple off of the map, I think it should hit the invisible wall first before it grapples off the map, unless you clip through the thing. Yeah, it hits the invisible wall. But if you clip through the thing, I think you can. Yeah. No, yeah, I can't, because I increased the size of the hitbox. I can no longer cheese it to. Oh boy, no, I can't move. Yeah. Yeah, I need to have it so that when you hit something, or when you hit terrain, you stop grappling. But yeah, that's a thing where I increased the hitbox. So and whatnot. Yeah. Oh yeah. thanks for bringing that up because I totally would have forgotten. Okay, but yeah, this is working, and I don't want you to be able to completely rely on the grapple being your way to get out of a jam. But I feel like if you're really good at this grapple hook, you are gonna be extremely mobile. Yeah. Okay. Whoop, bam. Look at that. Okay, so I got that done. Now, sorry, okay. I always have to switch over. Add a stream marker. But now I am gonna work on trying to get the just limit the amount or the length of the grapple hook, because as much as I like doing the whole I'm across the map and I do this, it is fairly powerful. So I'm gonna try and limit that a little bit, just a little bit. Another edge case. What happens if you grapple over a wall and then fall behind it? You run into the wall and then don't move. If you are perpendicular to the wall, yeah, oh yeah, it's so yep, there you go. So if you are perpendicular to the wall, so I'm perpendicular to this wall and I choose here, I'll try my best to get over there, but I put in a failsafe to make it so that if it's taking way too long, because for some reason, I'll just be like, okay, now stop after 5 seconds. What I really should do, what I really should do is that if you don't move for a couple of seconds, say that you're or something like that, I should detect that and then just stop the grapple hook, because that would be really painful if you're trying to run away and then you get stuck like this, now I can't move at all, and then now you're going and stuff. So whoop, yeah. But no, good question. Okay, so let's go in and add a limit. And I don't think that the limit's gonna be debilitatingly long. Cast when the grapple connects to something. It's a valid path. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, wiggly path. Yeah. I think I like the idea of being able to attach to something and not have line of sight, because you can have some really interesting plays and stuff like that doing that, particularly when you're trying to navigate a fairly complex maze of walls or something like that, or a moving platform and you're trying to attach to that. Ooh, how does a moving platform work? I didn't think of that. Ooh, that can be something I figure out when I need to figure that out. But no, that's that's another thing where but yeah, I like the idea of you're able to try and do that kind of thing. But again, it's gonna be play testing stuff. Oh man, moving platforms. Grappling onto a moving platform. It's something I did not think about, because I was oh, they're all gonna be static. No, I literally had a whole saga about moving platforms. So what we're gonna do is one, switch this from debug, but two, go in here and okay, I don't need to have both these things up. I'll just put that there, but we can hide that. Grapple hook. Where's the grapple hook? There it is. Okay. So what I am gonna do here is I'm gonna make it so public float, not float. Yes, float. Grapple distance equals. I'm just gonna arbitrarily, actually, I want to do a fairly short distance, so just to see if it works. Okay. Wait, start. No. Oh, wait. Private vector 3. Start. Transform a position. We'll move this actually down here. Private float distance equals vector 3 dot distance. Start position, transform position. Yeah, okay. And then if distance is greater than, oh boy, greater than or equal to grapple distance, we're gonna get rid of the said distance. Not get rid of said distance, destroy this object. This is, I should probably have, yeah, I should probably have a function for this, but because I don't have any sound or anything like that, and I'm just destroying the object regardless, I am cool. I'm cool doing that. Okay. Oh, there's also, I also wanted to, oop, here, I'll move the troll thing while we test this. I also wanted to, whoop, okay. Okay, cool. This is a very short distance, but I did that just so I could see if that worked. Oh geez, it's so short. So instead, let's go to grapple hook, change the distance to be 25. Okay, it's a little far. Oh, why am I freaking out over there? 20, I think I remember. Whoop. Okay. Ooh, man, yeah, that's a little, yeah, it seems like it's a little bit too far or too short. So this is gonna be more relevant in a larger stage. Couple of 25. You know what? We'll go with the larger one. It's largely, I'm okay. So I'm okay with, even if you were here to go over here, I would be okay with. But when you're like here to literally on the other end, I'm a little bit more wary because you cover distance like nothing. So yeah, that might be a thing that I can mess around with and try and figure out. But I'm not sure. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, well, right, I got it to work. I got the distance thing to work. So I'm going to, instead of looking at all this stuff, I'm gonna go in here and we're gonna actually put this inside of the game. Once again, something I have to remember how exactly I pulled that off. Okay. Also, the other thing I want to do, oh right, the laser beam thing. So, how do I pull that off? Oh, because it's not, yeah, it's a player canvas thing. Player, page, body. Parts list. I think this is, yes, it is. All right, so the way to do this is I go here. Oh no, not the line variant. I want to go to this. There we go. Slash body. Just add that to the parts list. Cool. I need to add a description to this thing. Wait. I know the other one's right. I have to do defense. Defense. Grapple. Book. Spin. I guess it's a sword. Spin a sword around your body. Sure. Save. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to just, yeah, press play. Slash. Spin sword around body. Cool. Yeah, no, well, I'll actually try a build rather than speed. There we go. Cool. Let's see if I did this, sure, and that, why not? And yep, sure, actually we'll keep that and we'll ready. Oh, that got it, of course, whatever. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, so the slash thing, I do want to have less powerful than the beam because you are able to spin in a circle and it's less accurate, but it does work. Cool. Oh, also I was supposed to check out the grapple stuff. All right, go in here. Thank you. Yeah, I'm so good. I can attack things that aren't moving or a threat to me. Oh, thank you. Even oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, that's something that I just really love doing is UI stuff. I know, Ben. I understand that might be a little bit triggering, but yeah, no, I just really love doing UI stuff. I think it comes from me really loving PowerPoint presentations, and like as a kid I would just like make PowerPoints, both just like, you know, for school and stuff, but like also just for fun. We tried, like me and my brother tried making an entire fighting game inside of a PowerPoint. Didn't work, but yeah, oh man. But yeah, no, I just really do love that kind of stuff. So I think that's what part of the reason why I really like doing UI things. And also like even trying to figure out like the different aspect ratios and stuff. I'm like, oh yeah, this is great. Like one thing that I really love doing is like having it adjust based off the aspect ratio. So right now we're in a more or less 16:9 aspect ratio, but if you go into like anything wider, like a super ultra wide monitor, it'll switch the position so that it's split and things like that. But like, again, very much I just really like doing this kind of stuff. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. It's something that I really want to make or I really wanted to make this like, so it's just like a, well, no doubt I'm gonna have that support in there. So I made a tool that I can drop in to any project now, and stuff. Oh yes, of course I want to cater to the wide boy audience. This also is useful for other things. Technically, like phones can also be like 21:9 and stuff like that, because Android. But yeah, of course, I want to cater towards the wide boy audience. But yeah, no, I wanted to have a tool that you can just plop in and be like, oh yeah, no doubt I'm gonna have support for that, and like not even think about it. So I have this split screen manager that I can just plop into anything, and then it just comes with all of these things. So I can go in here and be like, I can change the border width of the thing, or I can change the border color if I wanted to. Yeah, we'll make it yellow. Sure, why not? I can change the layout of things. Oh, I have the aspect rules in. If I didn't have these aspect rules in, I can change the layout so it can be like vertical, or everything's horizontal. I can add in multiple players. So now you can have a stack vertically or horizontally or vertically. Oh geez, this is looking really weird. There you go. This is like super duper ultra wide. Why not? But yeah, I wanted to have like this as a thing that I could just do, and then I could have have everything be horizontal, so I can have things if there were 3 players. Whoop. So they're all the same, or I could have it so that it fills the bottom, things like that. Wide. But but yeah, no, I just really like all these things. Yeah. Look boring. Yep. Well, that's just how it be. Right. I was testing something. I'm testing the slash, and I don't need to really think about it too much. I just wanted to test this. Yeah, this was working. So if I, whoop, oh man, grapple. Yeah, okay. So you can grapple to players. Good. Oh, I missed. Ooh, actually, yeah, no, it's doing that. Whoop. And then you can do your whole. Wow. Yeah, you can do your whole thing. Cool. Sweet. Awesome. Oh, that's really cool. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go to the game data, and I'm gonna fix everything that I broke. So, oh no, it's not in game data. It's inside of the dreaded player info. I really do need to fix that. Whoop. So here, get rid of this. Cool. Save that out. I think that should solve the issues. I should really just like spend like an hour or so just making tools for a lot of this stuff. It wouldn't take an hour because of course I'd run into bugs, but I should spend some time to actually make some tools and stuff. Alright, lies in place. Risk reward kind of thing. That's actually a good point. I think that actually, no, I like that idea. Do you want us to feedback yet? Oh no, yeah, you can go ahead. Any unsolicited feedback. Technically, the fact that I'm streaming, it garners feedback of being like, oh, that looks cool, or oh, that looks bad. But yeah, well, let's actually see if this works. I'm making a random build. Yeah, with the sword. Actually, a sword would now be a lot easier to use because you can just grapple in there. There we go. Bam. The thing I found tough to follow while watching is the character facing direction. Yeah, so the biggest thing, the biggest reason why I want to start to actually work on the actual visual art of the game is because the feedback for what the player is doing and how the player is actually oriented and whatnot. Hold on, evolve layer step, but no, that is, so building the model is actually the very next thing I'm going to be doing. So after I finish this part thing, which I'm basically done, the next thing I'm going to do is actually work on what the players are actually going to look like, because it's been such a pain point for a lot of people. They don't know when they're getting hurt, or when they're taking damage, or when they are doing damage, and stuff like that. And like, that is one of the biggest things, that actually adding in some form of art in which that tells you the facing direction, slash tells you like, oh, you're flashing because you got hurt or something like that. Yeah, that is a lot. Oh no, yeah, sorry. Of course. But yeah, that is a good thing to note there. So yeah, I don't know why I'm spending the time to do player 2. There we go. Okay, sweet. So I got the sword here. Oh yeah, that's working. Okay, cool. And then slash. Oh, I need to fix that because whoop. What? Okay. Yeah, but I do like the idea of like you're standing in place, trying to grapple onto something. Because yeah, if you were trying to run away, like say you're running away right now and you're like, I need to get out of here, you're still able to run away. Oh jeez, you're still able to run away. And I've definitely played a lot of games where if there is a grapple hook, you stay in place and then make your way over there. Oh jeez. Okay. It would make it so that it is less likely. It's very much less likely to get stuck behind a thing, unless you just so happen to like jump halfway between or halfway up a wall or something like that. Yeah, no, that's a good thing to note to think about. Yeah, but yeah, no, this is working. Look at that. Do that. There's a slash move. Doing my attacks. Sweet. Wow. That was not nearly as painful as I thought it would be. I think actually no, I don't think that there's another thing there. I'm like, all right, and then I think the other thing I'm gonna do is, I'm wondering. I guess that was it. I do have this. I shouldn't do it because I have this other thing that I want to do, because the other thing, or one of the other things that I've noticed is really hard for people to understand is the parts that they're selecting. And like understanding that, hey, the parts that you're selecting are like changing your robot. Because this is not this interface here is it's just words that are switching and whatnot. But you don't have like some type of like, oh yeah, that's what my robot looks like. And that's something that I really want to also work on, is having something where you can have a preview of things. Something similar to here. Let me try and pull up. I think it would be inside of here. Let's see if I have some gameplay footage of it. something similar to custom robo. Look at that. Oh boy, that's that's wide boy. Oh jeez. Yeah, we talk a lot. There, something similar to this, where you can have a preview of what is actually happening off to the side. But yeah. Oh yeah, some bars instead of. I definitely want to have bars. That was one of the things. But yeah, as you can see here, although it is in wide boy, it was weird. I had to play like this, but then inside of the video that I made, I had to squish it to be the correct aspect ratio. But yeah, something where you can see like all the things updating and stuff, and that's what I want to do. Something like that. But yeah, something where the bars rise and fall based off of like whatever common thing, particularly here, having it so like, oh yeah, the health moves up, down, and things like that. Yeah. And then you'll have more sense of ownership over the thing that you're making and customizing, rather than just some disparate words on a screen. But yeah. But okay. Yeah, I think that's everything. Is this bot totals or part values? What do you mean by that? Do you mean like the stats here in particular? These are like absolute values. Not absolute values. These are like the actual values, not like a thing like the multipliers, unless specified where like the multipliers are multiplier. Correct stats here. Yeah, these are like the total. So like you have a total of 250 health versus damage where you have a total of 90 health. So if you get hit 20, you'll still get hit. You'll get hit, what is it, a third? No, nearly a third of your health. But if it's 250, that's nothing to you. But yeah, I think that's everything. But we'll just do a real quick overview of everything that I did this stream, which is I finished the slash thing. I love how I'm still trying to do this so while having something here. But yeah, no, I have. Oh wait, look at that. Things are freaking out here. More bugs, of course. Yeah, look at that. So it's a full build impact. Yeah. Smaller increments as I tweak things. Yeah, that's something. I feel like even in Mario Kart, you don't necessarily feel the things that you change nearly as much unless it is a very big change. Like if it is, you are swinging from like minimum to maximum, that's when I feel the change the most. But I also have now just opted to only use the pipe cart from Mario Kart 64. So so I have my one default and that's all I do. But yeah, no, that's something that I've also noticed is that like, yeah, you can see like a whole bunch of changes and things and stuff, but like to feel the impact also gives you it gives you a sense of like ownership over whatever the changes you have and things. Ooh, okay, yeah, we definitely need to chat about that stuff because I like me some Mario Kart. But yeah, that is totally that's another stream. But yes, so things that did today. Added in the slash move. Oh right, my slash move is reset. Added in the slash move, so now you're able to slash add. I have grapple stuff, grapple cooldown, and range is now in. Oh hey, look, there's a special. Okay, so yeah, that's my escape opportunities. Okay, get me out of here. And that's, oh yeah, that's so much more useful for somebody who is very slow. and then slash. Oh jeez, that didn't work. I didn't have a lot of help. But yeah, now I have a slash move, which means now there are 4 body types, which the game desperately needed because, why did I do that? Because it was in desperate need of more ways to express yourself, particularly in the body department. Nah, God. But yeah, I think at that point I'm gonna call it. Thanks everybody for hanging out and all the questions in chat and stuff. But the next time that I'm gonna stream, I am going to be doing 3D modeling, because I'm gonna be working on probably gonna be working on either like player parts or like a different accessories and like enemy things. So I'm going to, I haven't 3D modeled in 5 years. Yeah, 5 years or something like that. So I haven't done that, and I wasn't like super proficient in doing that in the first place. But yeah, it's been 5 years since I've like tried doing something for an extended period of time. But then also, I wasn't that like all that good. So we'll see me struggle through that. But yeah. But off stream, I'll also try and look at inspiration for what kind of things that I want to actually make and stuff like that. The darks, yeah. What is the dark backstory of that grapple hook? Oh man. Awesome. Well, thanks everybody. Thanks again. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely dust off that old blender. But I really do appreciate everybody being here and hanging out and stuff. It does motivate me, and hopefully this helps be, a nice co-working kind of thing, environment and stuff. But yeah, I guess, oh man, I gotta get used to this new setup. But I will talk to you all later. See ya.